Hey guys, Dean here from Turbsky Brothers. Fuck.
Hey guys, Dean Jerzakowski here from Turbsky Brothers. I just want to share something with you guys. So the paint on my car is not real flash. As you can see here, bumper's all fucked, all the paint's faded. So I found this product. I've done the boot. Look how shiny that's come up. And I've just washed the car too, so it does not come off and works wonders. So this is what it's called. Penetrol. So I was watching this bloke, he had a rat rod, and he decided that, hey, you know, he needs clear over the top. So I got a price on paint, going to cost him about $8 to get it painted and clear, all prepped and everything. He found this product, Penetrol, which I bought from Bunnings. I'll put a link below in the description. And basically, yeah, it works. So if you can't afford paint, yeah, 100% buy this product, because I've used it on my car. As you can see, the boots come up pretty good. You know, I've even done the front bumper because it was all faded, and I'm about to do the rear, so I'll put up a before and after video of that. As you can see here, look. Alright, so yeah, if you guys like and subscribe, I'll share everything I know. As you can see, my bumper's pretty faded, so just give me about 10 minutes and I'll have this done. You see, as you can see, paint's very dull. You know, it's got marks here all the way across. It's all dull here, got all these marks here too. Don't worry about those big scratches, happened from a friggin' roller door. Only just fitted in the garage, came down, scratched all my paint. So yeah, I'm gonna hit it with this product, and you wait till you see the end result. And just like that, look how shiny that is. This product, Penetrol, is going to save a lot of people money, especially when it comes to repainting cars and shit. So, unreal. Like, yes, you see a few little streak marks there, but at the end of the day, your car's shiny. Looks fucking good, I reckon. Sweet. Penetrol. Pick it up from Bunnings. So go and get some, save yourself a lot of money. Because I just washed my car before this, and I'd done the boot and the front bumper, and as you can see, she's still shiny. So 100% recommend Penetrol. Cheers. Also guys, I forgot to mention earlier, so when you do use this product, just put it on light coats. I did about 4 or 5 on my car, and it just come up so good, eh? I did work out on the boot. I applied it too thick, and you could see streak marks and all that. But when I did the bumper, I just did it in light coats, and it came up awesome. So just do light coats with that Penetrol. All I used was a foam brush, which you can buy from Bunnings also. Yeah, it's going to save you guys so much money, because Commodores are pretty common for paint fade. So yeah, jump on this, give it a try. Cheers. Also guys, I just want to add, we got merch at the moment. We got stickers, Turbsky Brothers stickers available. I'll put a picture up of what they look like. They're $5 each. Also, we're going to have shirts soon. I've got 2 coming for me and Gav. So you'll probably see us wearing them. Let us know if you like them, and they'll be available. Thanks.